फाटल्या फावट सरकारी वकिलाक विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी बाबू कवळेकार आनी ताचे भाव बाबल कवळेकारा आड युक्तिवाद करपाक अपेस आयिल्ले म्हण ह्या प्रकरणात शुक्रारा न्यायालयांत सुनावणी आशिल्ली. दक्षिण गोंय जिल्लो न्यायालयान विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी बाबू कवळेकार आनी तांचे भाव बाबल आड अटकपूर्व जामीन मान्य केला. RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Honorable Sessions Court today granted anticipatory bail to Babu Kavlekar as well as his brother Babal Kavlekar. They have been directed to execute bonds of 50,000 and 20,000 each respectively with a solvent surety of a like amount. There are no directions to report at the police station, but the order says that they have to go to the police station as and when they have been called by the police, which they have done earlier. We have always said that we are cooperating with the investigation, and that the other direction is that they should not tamper with evidence. That is a normal thing. So now we will see, because it appears that there is no substance in the case of the prosecution. That is why this anticipatory bail has been granted. But I am yet to get a copy of the order, because probably the court has observed the lapses on the part of the investigation, which we will see in the course of the day.